In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook group public. 5 minutes. By the end, your group will be visible to anyone on Facebook, which can be great for discovery and growth. Keep in mind that a public group means posts, comments, and member lists can be seen by anyone, so make sure that's the right choice for your community before you proceed. First, go to facebook.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the groups section. On desktop, you'll find groups in the left sidebar. Click it to open your groups hub, where you'll see the groups you've joined and the ones you manage. Next, select a group that you manage. You'll need admin permissions to change privacy settings, so if you don't see the options we're about to use, double check that you're an admin for that group. Once you're inside your group, locate the settings area. On desktop, this appears in the left column of the group's dashboard. Click settings to open the admin controls. Inside settings, choose group settings. This is where all the key configuration options live, including name, description, membership, and privacy. Scroll until you see the privacy option, then click privacy to open the privacy selection panel. Now choose public. Facebook will show a brief explanation of what public means. Anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. This is ideal for communities that rely on search visibility, want to be shared widely, or aim to attract new members without friction. If that aligns with your goals, click next to proceed. The next screen is a confirmation step that summarizes what will change, and may note that increased visibility can affect how members interact. Finally, click change to public to confirm. Facebook may show a short warning or ask for one last confirmation. That's normal. Once you confirm, your group's privacy updates right away. A few quick tips to wrap up. After making your group public, review your group rules to ensure they clearly communicate what's allowed, since more people will be able to see and join. Consider adjusting membership approval settings, post approvals, and keyword moderation to keep discussions healthy and on topic. If you work with a team, let your moderators know about the change so they can keep an eye on new posts and member requests. That's it, you went to Facebook, opened groups, selected your group, navigated to settings and group settings, opened privacy, chose public, clicked next, and confirmed change to public. Thanks for watching, and good luck growing your community.